Hello, welcome all. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about SEO, AI search and GEO and the entire walkthrough of the SEMrush dashboard. So, in the previous tutorial in digital advertising, we have created a website from scratch using AI in 10 minutes. We'll use that particular website and we'll start optimizing it through SEMrush. As we have created a website, the next question will be, how do we get the leads? So, for that, first of all, we should know what is traffic, how many people are coming onto our website, and what are the keywords that people are searching for. And we should also be knowing what our competitor is doing. So to know all these things, we should be using a SEO tool. We are using SEMrush because we can get all the answers from this one particular tool. Now, with AI tools like ChatGPT and Google AI overviews, how do you optimize for AI search? That's where tools like SEMrush Ahrefs come into picture. Today, we will understand what is SEO, which is search engine optimization, what is an AI search, what is GEO, and how to log in and use SEMrush, and what are the pricing plans. And for a beginner, which tool you need to use to get SEMrush. And we'll also explore into the features of SEMrush, the SEMrush API, which is used by the enterprise to automate reports and keyword reporting. And also we'll use to learn some learning resources that SEMrush has, and also we'll explore important widgets inside the tool. Now we'll try to understand the basic terminology. What is an SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization. Suppose you created a website. SEO helps your website rank on search engines like Google, Bing, Yandex. For example, if someone searches for something like best digital marketing course, SEO helps your website appear on the pages, page 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there are three types of SEO. One is on-page SEO, where you will see the content on the website, the headings, the content, the keywords, the titles that you are using. All these comes under on-page SEO. The second one is the off-page SEO, whereas you will get backlinks from different websites. That is called as off-page SEO. And technical SEO is where the site of your speed and the structure and the indexing that you do for your page, that all comes under technical SEO. Next one is the AI search. What do you mean by AI search? AI search refers to any search results that are generated by AI systems. For example, the Gemini AI overview that you are seeing when you're entering something in Google, or even the ChatGPT. Whenever you're trying to find some information in ChatGPT, there also you'll be getting the website links and the information. So this is called as AI search. You have different other websites like Perplexity, Claude, Grok, etc. Instead of just showing links, AI gives direct answers. Now website must optimize for structured content, clear answers, frequently asked questions, authority, context, everything. That is called as AI search. The next one is, what is GEO? GEO means generative engine optimization. What does this generative engine optimization means? It is optimizing your content so that AI engines like ChatGPT and Google AI uses your content as a reference. So today, combining SEO, AI search plus GEO, all can be supported using SEMrush. Now we will know how to log in into SEMrush tool. So type SEMrush in Google and click on the SEMrush website. So then you need to log in, give your email ID and password. So this is how your SEMrush will look like. So we'll just go through the overview, what all things that will be there in SEMrush. So here you will be having the subscription information, and you can give access to any user. You can click here on manage user and you can add users. Okay, and all your notifications you can see here, whichever notifications that you'll have regarding any keyword tools or anything, it will show there. Next, you will also be having pricing here. We'll go into pricing later. And on the left hand side, this is the main tab where once you start working on a website, all the website details will be coming up here. And in the second widget, you have SEO. In this is the SEO dashboard where you can do the site performance, how your site is performing, or what is your position of your site. Each and everything will come under the site performance. And you can also do the competitive analysis for your competitors, how which keywords your competitor is doing better than you. You can have the report and you can optimize it in a better way. And you can also see how your competitor keywords are performing better, and also you can see what are the gaps, areas where we can improve, and it will also show us like which keywords are we better than the competitor as well. And you can also see your backlink gap between you and your competitors. So this is about your competitor analysis. And you also have keyword research where you can search for the keywords, and in the keywords you will be getting the keyword density, how difficult is your keyword to get ranked on Google, or what is the search volume for those particular keywords. And with this keyword research tool you can build a strategy. So this strategy will give you the what are the keywords where you have a lot of search and less keyword density. So you can do all these in the keyword research tab. And also you can have the content ideas in the content tab where you can ask the SEMrush to write content for you. It will write the content and will give it for you, and you can copy paste that in your blogs. And it will also give you the topic research, and also it will give you a lot of content template as well, how you need to write your template. And on the fourth one, you have the backlinks and referring domains. We will discuss what is a backlink and what is a referring domain in detail when we are doing the sub widgets task. And also you can get the audit of your backlinks. How many backlinks are you present so that where are the opportunities where you can improve. And you also have the other tools like link building, log file analyzers. We'll go into detail into that. The second widget that you can see is AI. So it will give you the visibility overview, the competitor research, and the prompt research. What are the prompts that people are searching for, and how you can rank better in AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Gemini. And it will also give you the brand performance, branded keywords like your keyword. Like for example, if you're doing a abc.com website, and it will tell you the brand, how this brand is performing. And it will also give you the most asked questions, so that you can write content about it. And you can also do the prompt tracking, as well as you can do the site audit as well for the AI overview. And the third widget is called the traffic and market. Here it will give you the traffic analytics, daily trends, how your keywords are performing, what is the search volume of your particular website. And you'll also be shown into different distribution types like the paid search, how example, if you are using Google ads and meta ads, the paid search, how many people are coming onto your website, what is your traffic composition. And also it will tell you the referral tracker, if your website is being shared by more number of people or through many websites, that referral traffic information also will be shared. And you also have the list of traffic distributions, where how many people are coming from organic search, that is the SEO, or coming from organic social is through Meta, LinkedIn, and Facebook, Instagram, and how many people are coming through email, how many people are coming through display ads. And you'll have all the traffic distribution here. And in this tab, you can also see what are your top pages, which page contributes the highest traffic. And you'll also get regional trends, like from which country. And you'll also get demographic information. You can get market information, so on and so forth. The fourth one is the local. Local means your Google My Business listings, where for how many people are coming onto your business page in Google. It will also give you the listing management, and also it will give you the map rank tracker. Suppose you're doing a business in 30 kilometers radius, it will tell you from different 1 kilometer how your keyword is performing. Suppose if you're working, if you're doing business in a 30-kilometer radius, okay, exact at that particular place, what is your rank for the particular keyword, or what is the rank for the competitor keyword? It will give you each and everything. And you can also do the review management, where you can, whenever you get reviews in your Google My Business pages, you can control all these things through SEMrush. So you can set up automated replies to all the people who are giving you feedbacks, like a 5-star or a 1-star. It will give you that. And it also had an automation that was recently added, the Google Business Page AI agent, where the AI, by looking into the review, it will automatically reply to the customer. So you can build your own agent there. And this is the content widget, where you can write articles, blogs, anything. And you can also do multiple things with the content. See here, this content is majorly driven by AI. So you can give a theme or a prompt of how your content should be there, and this content widget will provide you each and everything. And this is for the social. And social, you have tracker and how analytics are working in your social channels. And this is basically for ad. If you're doing Google ads or Meta ads, what it will do is it will tell you what is the traffic that is coming from social tools. And it will also give you the PPC keyword tool. PPC is a pay per click. It will tell you at what cost you can buy this particular keyword to the top of the rank. All these things, it will give you all the research. And ads, launch assistant, and agent were added recently. So these two were the new ones. And AIPR is for the artificial intelligence PR, where it can do everything from your email to domain authentication. And it will also have the contact search, media list, and you can reach out to the relevant people using this particular tool. And this is the reports widget, where you can get your reports from SEMrush, and it can be automated reports. You can just schedule those reports, and every day you'll be able to receive all your reports about your website performance. Like if you wanted to track 10 keywords performance, then it will give you the rank, what is the position, what is the traffic that these particular keywords are getting. And you also have like monthly SEO report you can get. You're also going to have the GA4 as well as the Google Search Console templates, and you have a lot of templates here. And you can also create your own templates by using the data that SEMrush provides. And this one is the App Center, where you can integrate multiple APIs. Like suppose CallRail is there. CallRail, which is the service provider, where who called you and how much time they spoke for you and through which channel they came. So it'll get you all the information. And it also have the gap analyzer, search engine result pages gap analyzer. So what it does is like why you're not ranking on the pages. It'll tell you everything. And you also have like adcreative.ai, which is the AI to create your own creatives to post it on your social media. So these are all the widgets. We will go in detail for each and every widget. Okay. And that's all about the widgets. And you have the search bar here. You can click on any tool that you want. Okay. Next comes the pricing. If you see here, you have 3 different types of pricing. One is the starter. For anyone who's having a business or a company, they can use starter, where the monthly subscription for it is like $165. That is for annually. If you wanted to take monthly, it will be almost $200 plus GST of 18%. And you can host up to 5 websites, and you will be getting the AI visibility toolkit, and you'll also get competitor insights, brand insights, everything. You can also do the keyword research. And for the pro version, what you can do, you can host up to 15 websites. You can track 15 website information. You can get 1500 keywords daily tracking. You can do a lot of things. Advanced is for the startups. where they need to purchase 50. So basically, advanced is used by the digital advertising agencies where they work on the client websites. So advanced is for them. And as I told you, SEMrush one is the only. It's one of the solution for the traditional SEO. The recent ones like AI search and GEO, which are trending right now in the market. Everybody wants a GEO expert and AI search expert, which are not there in the market as AI is new. So whoever learns AI search and GEO, their careers in SEO would be great. So we have seen the pricing in SEMrush website. Like you see the pricing, right? It is almost $200 per month if you want to purchase this starter. Or a pro, it's like $300, or the advanced is like $50 per month. But what you can do if you want to learn SEMrush, right, for your job interviews or to do practice anything in SEMrush, what you can do, you can go to seotool.com, and here you will be getting a list of all the tools available, right, from RFs to SEMrush, and even more you can get Uber Suggest, and you can get other tools like Canva and all. You can get it for a lesser price. What this SEO tool does is it will give you a shade access, so that so many people will be using that tool, so you can go and you can access it. They will charge a nominal fee of 250 rupees per month, and you can use all the important tools. But there will be limitations where you cannot access everything, like how you will be able to access in SEMrush original website, but the tool interface, everything would be same. And you would be able to do the keyword planning, or you wanted to do the content planning, or you wanted to do a competitor analysis. You can do everything with this SEMrush tool, and someone who wants to start right with SEMrush can use this tool, and you can pay a nominal fee of like 250 rupees per month, and you can get access to SEMrush. So we looked into the pricing, right? So after that, we will see what are the other important things that are available in SEMrush. If you just click on more, we already discussed about the pricing. Next, we'll look into the features. What are the features that are available in SEMrush? If you see here, these are the list of things that SEMrush can do for us. Like it can do the AI SEO, where you can increase your visibility in ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. So what it does is, suppose if someone asks you best restaurants in Hyderabad. Okay, so it will give you an answer, right? With the answer, it can also give you the list of restaurants and their website URLs as well. So to be available in AI SEO, you need to know what is AI SEO, so that you can do it in SEMrush. We'll discuss all these things in detail, but this is just an overview. And you can do a keyword research. You can get enterprise level SEMrush tools where you can do as per the custom needs of that particular enterprise. You can also do the content optimization, how to keep the headers, how to keep the content, how to optimize your keywords, all these things. All it will tell you, and it will give you a score. Depending upon the score, you can change your content. Okay, and it will give you link building. What are the backlinks that the competitors have already? How did the competitor got all the backlinks, and they'll give you the list of the backlinks, so that you can also create your backlinks for your domain, so that it will improve the relevancy and the trust, and you will be ranked better in Google. And it will give you the rank tracking, as I said, how your keywords are performing, on which rank they are, on what page. Suppose if you want to see best restaurants in Hyderabad, so it will tell you your website is ranking at which position for each individual keyword. Okay, and it will give you about the technical SEO, any issues that are there on the website. This technical SEO will let you know about all these things. And competitive analysis, how your competitor is performing, and what are the good things he is doing compared to us, and what are the things that we need to improve, or what are the things we are doing better than the competitor. All these things you can find it in competitive analysis. You can also get the market analysis and traffic, depending upon which channel you're doing and all. And you have a list of other things like competitor SEO analysis. You can do local SEO for the Google My Business pages, and you also will know how what are the paid campaigns that are getting more leads from within our campaigns, as well as these competitor campaigns. And you can do social media and AI PR, artificial intelligence PR. So all these things are some of the features that SEMrush provides. And it'll also have a list of blogs. It also have a list of blogs where you can learn like for example, you can see all these blogs, right? You can study. If you don't know about a particular concept, you can come and search here to find out what are the important blogs you want, and you can read about them. Okay, so that is about the blogs, but mainly we will be seeing about the resources. In resources, you have academy, and you also have the top websites who are using SEMrush, so you can go and check all these informations. And if you're interested to see any webinars that are conducted by SEMrush, you can do that as well. And you have all this affiliate program and your success stories using SEMrush. All these things could be all these things you can also learn. Okay, and one you have is an enterprise. This is for the bigger companies like JP Morgan or Facebook or Amazon. These big organizations use this platform, and you can see the list of companies that are using Salesforce, Samsung. These are all the big organizations, right? So these will use this enterprise version. So because they'll have a lot number of sub URLs that you have, they have different pages, they have a lot more content on their website. For them it is mostly useful. And the next one is SEMrush API. So this SEMrush API, what it can do, you can download the reports, you can send an automated reports with this feature. So you can analyze any information quickly. Okay, and you have a lot other more features. You can see what are the other APIs that SEMrush have. You have a Trends API, Analytics API. So you have all these APIs. So normally to connect with any other AI, right? So these APIs work in tandem and it will give you the desired result. Suppose, for example, if you want to make an AI agent and you want to integrate SEMrush into that, you can use this API code and you can write it. You can copy paste that code and give it to ChatGPT. It'll create an AI agent, and whatever information that SEMrush will fetch, right, that AI agent also will understand that. That is about the SEMrush API, and you can see a lot more information on the left hand side, right? So what are the use cases, how they are using for SEMrush API. You can see there are relevant API methods. If you want to know API methods like domain overview, you can do this, and you can read about it. Okay, this is something which is important. Okay, and you also can learn. You can also learn with SEMrush courses if you want to get better with SEMrush. SEMrush has given you the live courses. You can learn about it. If you see here, you have the local toolkit crash course and content marketing essential for SEO and AI search with SEMrush. You can learn this, and you have different things like off-page SEO and AI searches. You can start learning, and you can get certified also from here. Okay, and you also have the certification, so you can do it for free. With this, what you can do is with SEMrush SEO tool Adda, I don't think you can do the certification. You can create your own account and you can get a free trial once you read everything from SEO tool Adda. And what you can do, you can click on your get free trial and you can use a credit card for 7 days and use the startup code so that you'll get a 7 days free subscription. So you use this 7 days to complete your certification so that you will be SEMrush certified. Okay, so this is a basic introduction and the dashboard explanation, and also you learn about the basic things. From the next session, we'll be covering every individual widget, and we'll try to add a website and start optimizing it for your online presence so that we can see how much traffic we are getting, everything we can get from SEMrush. Thanks everyone.